Heard about Nigeria's new tax in 2026? Before you panic, let me break down what's really happening in plain English. Spoiler, it's not one tax but new rules. Stay tuned. First, there's no single new tax starting Jan 1, 2026. Instead, the government is rolling out major changes to the entire tax system right now. By 2026, you'll feel the full effect. Think of it as new rules of the game. Rule 1. The transfer charge. Gone is the flat N50 fee. Now, it's 0.5% on transfers over N10,000. Send N50K, you pay N2150, not N50. Rule 2. The rich people's tax. Selling stocks or property. Tax on your profit just jumped from 10% to 20%. Rule 3. The big new one. Tax on foreign income. If you live in Nigeria but earn dollars online or from abroad, that income might now be taxable here. This is huge for freelancers and remote workers. Why? The government needs more money and is using tech to find it. They're linking banks, FIRs and customs to track transactions better. So the bottom line, by 2026, expect a tighter, more automated tax net. What should you do? Get a tin, keep simple records, and if you have side hustles, consider talking to a tax pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple explainers. Drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.